Camtasia Review Usage Experience. In this video, we'll be reviewing Camtasia, one of the most popular screen recording and video editing tools on the market. Links to the product are included in the description below. Whether you're a content creator, educator, business professional, or marketer, Camtasia offers a comprehensive solution for recording and editing high-quality videos. Camtasia is known for its intuitive interface and all-in-one functionality, making it a go-to choice for users who need both screen recording and video editing in a single package. Unlike browser-based tools, Camtasia is a desktop application available for both Windows and Mac OS, providing more power and flexibility. One of its standout features is high-quality screen recording, which allows you to capture your entire screen, specific windows, or selected regions. You can also record your webcam and microphone simultaneously, making it perfect for tutorials, software demos, online courses, and presentations. The recording process is smooth, with minimal lag, even for high-resolution content. Once your recording is complete, Camtasia provides a powerful built-in video editor that includes cutting, trimming, annotations, transitions, animations, and effects. The drag-and-drop timeline makes editing intuitive, even for beginners. One of its best features is the ability to add callouts, text overlays, and cursor effects, which are particularly useful for instructional videos. Additionally, the green screen feature allows you to replace your webcam background for a more professional look. Camtasia also includes pre-made templates and assets, such as intros, outros, and motion graphics, helping you create polished videos faster. The library of royalty-free music and sound effects is a great addition for enhancing engagement. When you're ready to export, Camtasia supports multiple formats, including MP4, AVI, and GIF, and allows direct sharing to platforms like YouTube, Vimeo, and Google Drive. However, Camtasia is not without its drawbacks. The main downside is its pricing. It comes with a one-time license fee that may seem expensive compared to subscription-based alternatives. Additionally, while the editing tools are robust, professional video editors might find them limiting compared to advanced software like Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro. Overall, Camtasia is an excellent choice for users who need a reliable screen recording and video editing solution in one package. It's user-friendly, feature-rich, and perfect for educators, trainers, and businesses creating engaging instructional content. If you need an efficient and professional tool for recording and editing videos, Camtasia is definitely worth considering. Check out the links in the description for more details.